FitLab PGH back with a movement tip and lifestyle hack. Don't let the bad weather keep you inside. It's about 40 to 45 degrees, pouring rain, but the Labradors like to go outside, eat sticks. And I like to go outside and not get hypothermia, so a couple things that I wear to help prevent me from getting hypothermia in the rain or cold feet. I wear the Lone Peak Ultra Neoshells. Got some Sporthill pants on, some Outdoor Research wool gloves. I also like DeFeet wool gloves in these temperatures. I've got a soft shell from Jottnar, and I've got a hoodie from Soto Sports. All of these things are either synthetic or wool, so even if they get wet, they still maintain their warmth, so I can keep moving with the Labradors and not get cold. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH. Make movement a lifestyle and not just an activity, no matter what the weather.